According to the Interfax news agency, Russia's state interchanges controller stated that it had rebuilt a log jam of Twitter traffic on PCs due to false messages about Russia's special operation in Ukraine. Roskomnadzor, who was already blocking traffic on mobile devices, said it had filed over 1,700 requests to Twitter over more than 800 offensive tweets, and that the restrictions would only be lifted after all of the information it deems illegal was deleted from the network. Kremlin-linked publications are being criticized for propagating misleading information about Moscow's foray into Ukraine. Twitter said on Monday that it will display alerts on tweets containing links to Russian state-owned media. Pressure is being used by web-based media behemoths to withhold misleading information about the incident, which has sparked outrage around the world. News outlets controlled by Kremlin, both RT and Sputnik, have been accused of fabricating tales in order to gain an advantage in a conflict. Yoel Roth, Twitter's head of site integrity, stated that the platform has seen more than 45,000 tweets each day posting links to state-related news sites. The announcement comes a day after Facebook's parent company Meta claimed pro-Russian groups were planning deception campaigns through social media, using fake identities or hacked records to portray Ukraine as a weak puppet of Western lies. The internet giant's cybersecurity team said it had blocked a group of Russia-linked bogus accounts that were a part of a social media campaign to destabilize Ukraine.